What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub, and today we're going to be making a steak and chicken stir fry. So come on in, check it out. Let's get it going. All right, so right here we got 1.5 pounds of some sirloin steak. We got 2 large chicken breasts right here. That's about 1.5 pounds of chicken. We got a whole box of noodles here. These are rice noodles. We got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and 2 jalapeños cut up. Got some green onion right here. Some red chilies, gotta have them. Over here we got some water chestnuts. We got carrot, celery, and onion. And then right here is the homemade sauce, the good stuff. I'll tell you about that during the video. All right, y'all, let's check it out. We got about 400 right here. So let's go ahead, get out of here, bees. Get some oil down right here for these veggies. All right. There we go. Let's throw it all on here. Jalapenos and green pepper and red pepper right here. Got the water chestnuts. A little water in that, so you're gonna get some steam. And the carrots and all, celery and onion. There we go. All right, let's mix some of this stuff up. Try and get some oil on most of it. We're gonna throw some salt and pepper. I'm not going to throw too much salt because a lot of sodium in the sauce that we made. All right. Flip it around. Bees are coming out of nowhere. It's chilly in Illinois right now. Bees should be hibernating. All right, I'm just gonna kind of put that around like so. I'm gonna throw some butter on. Oh, a little bit of this olive oil and sea salt butter. Get out of here, bee. There we go. I'm just gonna let that go. Cover that up. All right, and we'll bring you right back. All right, let's see how we're looking with this. All right, we're getting a nice little char going on this stuff. We're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna clear, oh man, that pepper. All right, I'm just gonna mix this stuff up and then we're gonna keep this going. I'm gonna get the meat going now. You'll just kind of spread it around. All right. Let's get a little oil over here. All right. Spread that. We're gonna throw a little butter down with it. Alright, and then we're going to be putting this chicken down first. There we go. Alright. let's see. Let's throw a little pepper on here. A little salt. All right, let that stuff go, and we're gonna bring you right back. Check on these veggies now. Oh baby, yep, that's looking good. Oh yeah, these water chestnuts are getting a little char on them now, so the veggies are pretty much done. Let's give this chicken a flip now. Let that go. Oh yeah. Just kind of, when they're cut up and then you cook them like that, they all kind of mush together, but just give it a little chop, knocks them right apart. All right. Let that go for another minute, and then we'll throw this beef on, the sirloin. See how we're looking on this chicken now. It's looking like it's almost done. I'm just gonna push that up over here a little bit, keep it away from the drain. All right, now let's get this beef going. All right, more oil, a little more butter. There we go. All right, let's throw this sirloin on. Well, came out in a clump, huh? There we go, just give it a little choppy. There we go. Now, let it cook. I'm gonna throw a little pepper on here. Let's go ahead and stir this stuff up. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. All right. Boom, let's let that cook up. Veggies are done. The chicken is done. Let me just confirm that. Yep, yeah, this is done. So I'm gonna actually push the chicken out. And just keep it over here. I have my left two burners off now. And these two are still on high. Boom. All right. So let's give this beef one more look-see. And yeah, this is just about done as well. So I'm gonna just finish this up, clean up, and then get the noodles going. All right, the steak is done. So I'm gonna move that over here with this. We're gonna mix this stuff in, and you know what? I'm gonna throw the red chilies in too. A little spice. All right, we're gonna mix this stuff up. Now I still got these. Actually, I'm gonna turn the third burner off now too. I'm gonna keep that one on high so I can do the noodles, but I'm gonna mix this stuff together real quick. Just make sure we're looking good, which we definitely are. All right, now, all right, let's just take my scraper. I just don't want to get too much gunk on it, but that's gonna be just fine like that. All right, now we're gonna throw butter down. I'm gonna throw a decent amount with the oil. All right, let's let that cook up. we go, and you want to put that oil down first so it doesn't burn the butter. Let's see what temp we're rolling with. It says 260, but that's not right from that butter. More like 400. All right, let's throw these noodles on. We got a whole package of the Thai rice noodles. So let's just put them on here. A little bit of water in there with them, so you're gonna get some steam. There we go. That's looking good. And when I cook them, I don't really follow the directions. I cook them for a little bit longer, and then I just keep them in ice water from there. That seems to do the trick pretty good. Let's throw a little salt and pepper on these. All right, gonna let them warm up. That stuff's good. Yeah. All right, everything's done. Let's combine everything now. Get it all together. We're gonna cook over on this side because it's the hotter side. Get this stuff out of here. Got some debris. Need to just push that down the drain. All right, get that chicken in here. All right, let's get it all mixed together. This is a lot of noodles, so. And then, let's put the sauce on. This sauce contains of, what do we got? We got some teriyaki, soy, sesame seed oil, hoisin sauce. I don't remember what else. I'll have to look, but it'll be in the description. Let's just dump it all on there. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Want it all. Alright, if it's not enough, I'm going to throw these green onions on now too. Let's get this sauce before it runs to the drain. Alright, here we go. Look at that. This is looking good, boy. All that juice just goes right to the bottom, and then once you start flipping it around, it's all good. Look at this. This is making me, I was hungry before we started cooking. This is making me even more hungry. All right, let's dive in and take a bite of this. This looks so good. Get a little piece of steak. That is perfect. Man. It's a good piece of that chicken. I had a water chestnut in there. Come on, get in here. A couple pieces, all right. That's good. You guys got to try this sauce. It's got a little bit of heat, but not that much. I would like it more, but my wife doesn't like it that spicy, so. But that's all I got, man. Appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I'm willing to try anything, so let me know. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.